Hello everyone, my name is Yurick Rodriguez. I'm the budget analyst for the school district of Osceola County, and today I want to share with you some new information on how to download financial reports from Terms to Excel or PDF using the printout option. So to be able to do that, you need to first adjust your Terms preferences, and that's the purpose of this video today. So before we get started changing our preference, I want to let you know that if you do want to see additional videos associated to training for budget, you would be able to access the Business and Fiscal Services SharePoint or the Bookkeeper SharePoint. You will see the title, Growing Your Budget Foundation, as seen on the screen. Select that. Afterwards, you're going to have on the right side videos associated to the budget training. And on the left side, you'll see additional information for training purposes. To adjust the system in Terms, you really don't have to be logged in. And once you adjust the preferences, it's going to be saved. So you just have to do this once. So if you go up to the highest left side, you're going to see the option of actions. And first, we want to open up the printout option. So to be able to adjust your printer output option, you need to go to Edit, select Preferences. You're going to receive this pop-up box, and in my case, I want to download my reports to my desktop. This is my preference, but you could change that. You could definitely look for a specific location, browse, and you can create a folder, or you could drop it wherever you want to. So you have the option to change that. Right down here, you probably have Use PDF format selected right now. So I would unselect that because the version that I'm going to show you today is how to download this in Excel. So I want to leave this in blank. At this point, I'm setting up my preferences, and I just select OK. So now we're ready to generate a report, and I'm going to do a quick example because I'll be creating other videos that will show you step by step on how to create reports. This is just a video to show you how to adjust your preferences for the printer output. I'm going to close our box, and I'm going to log into Terms to be able to show you how to send the report to yourself quickly. Alright, we just log in. I'm going to do a 510 report. It's a budget summary report, so I'm going to choose a random school. And since the system is currently down, I'm going back to a previous school year to see how did the school eventually end. So to generate the report, I'm going to select on my keyboard the button F11. Request submitted, what is next? Before you used to type in SPL, and you would have to jump into the file that you wanted to send to yourself via email, and you would have to do a bunch of steps. But at this point with this option, you don't have to do that anymore. So once you generate the report, you just have to go to Actions, Printer Output. You're going to see your tool files that you just downloaded. This is what you normally would see in the school file inside of Terms, but now you just have to select the Excel version because it's the format that I chose. Just use your right click on your mouse, you just download it, and just change the format. Make sure that you're using an XLS format instead of a TXT. So you select the file that you want to open, and now you're going to see that it's going to actually auto-populate on a web page. So you just need to open up the file, double click on it, and there you have your report. And you can use the same printer output option for the 510 report, for the 511 report, which is a detailed report, expenditure report. You can also use the Y907, which is a payroll expenditure report, which is really good, and I'll be creating videos associated to those. So if you do have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me in the budget department. My extension is 67531. Once again, Yurick Rodriguez. If you cannot find me, please contact anyone in the budget department. Thank you.